It's 12:10. Uh-oh, still a little dog. Ooh. Hey, how you doing?
Hello.
My name is Man Carter. I think we had an appointment today. 12:10
Appointment?
to inspect the roof.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Uh-huh. Hey, how you doing, sir? How you doing?
Hi.
Man Carter. Did we get our signals crossed? I thought we're supposed to come out today at 5 to inspect the roof. No, I had you at
What's the name?
12.
Yes.
Got a call. I think it was Monday to come out today at 5 o'clock.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's okay. No, it's okay. I don't want to disturb you guys. Let me see. Your last name was.
Yes.
Let's see. Okay, so this was back in the day, right? Juan
Yeah. This is my name.
Yeah, and then we didn't, for whatever reason. This was back in September. We didn't make the appointment, and then I have our call center recalled on Monday, and they set the appointment for today. Yeah.
Oh,
It's okay.
I never.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's okay.
What company is this?
That's my company, Steel Country Home Restoration.
Oh, yes.
Yes, sir.
No.
No?
No,
Okay,
I
okay.
never called.
Okay. No worries. We'll get out of your hair then. I apologize. Well, I'll let you know then. You can keep the card. And
Yes. Yeah,
and
just in case later.
yes,
on,
and if
yes.
something does come up, y'all did have, like this is the lead came in back in September.
Yeah, this is my name.
Yeah, but everything since they spoke to whomever.
Juvenal. Yeah, it's a hard.
Okay.
Yeah.
So y'all did have storm data that came through here in August of last year, and then again in June.
Okay.
It was 0.75 and 1.5 inches of hail. There's older data, right? So this was back in 2024. You can see it right there. There's 2024, 2023, 2024, 2024. These are the two storms that hit over here last year.
Okay.
It was this one and this one.
Okay.
So the way it works in the insurance, you have 1 year to make a claim.
Okay.
If you don't, then the insurance company considers it outside that window. Once you get outside that 12-month window, then they'll start pushing back because they kind of consider it neglect or, hey, you didn't call when you were supposed to.
All right.
So just FYI, how old is the roof, if you don't mind me asking?
But that's little, about 5 or 6 years.
Okay.
That's 30 years.
Okay.
warranty.
Okay. That's yeah. So when I pulled up, I was like, that's a 30-year shingle.
Yes.
So when I look, I'm kind of like, I'm looking, and I'm like, it doesn't look worn. Typically the 20-year shingles, they'll show if there's been damage up there. You can kind of see it. So I'm walking up, I'm kind of looking, but I was like, well, I still need to run the appointment and make sure I show up. But no, if anything comes up, give us a call. Okay, sorry to disturb you. Okay.
No, that's okay.
Okay, have a blessed evening. Yes, sir. Okay, yes, sir. Bye-bye.